Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. We're now going to have stage 14 of Build Your Own Fast and the Furious Dodge Charger RT. Okay, so we're doing the Dodge Charger today. We're going to do things a little bit different to where I normally do it. So what I'm going to do is, because I've got a little bit behind with the Dodge Charger, so I've got like 5 or 6 up here to do, and I've got another 4 on the way. So I'm going to get 4 filmed now, put them all out for members, so the members can watch them all, and I'm going to put 1 out a day on the actual channel. So if you want to see them all now, go ahead, click that join button down below. So I'm going to be filming stages 14, 15, 16 and 17 today. I believe that's where they're up to in the news agents. By Wednesday they're going to be up to issue 17. So by the end of this week we should be all caught up. So let me show you what we get in stage 14. Okay, so there's the parts we get. As you can see, we get basically the cylinder heads and everything like that to go in here. So this is probably going to be the easiest one to film out of all the 4 that I'm doing. There is quite a lot involved in the in all 4 of these, building this engine. So we're going to basically have most of the engine done by the time I've done all 4 issues this week. So they're the parts we get, and basically what we're doing, we are taking the oil filter cap, placing that down onto there, and just like so. So we're going to do that twice. As you can see, it's mirrored over here. So basically what we're going to do, take this oil cap, put that down onto there, just secure that onto there with a DP screw. Then we're going to put this little cap on top, and then this little part here, the orange part, that can get secured onto the actual engine itself with some CM screws, and then that can get lowered down just like so, and then we can do exactly the same again on the opposite side. And to finish that up, we're just going to put that silver part down on top of the engine, and by the end we should have something that looks a little like that. So yeah, I don't know how it happened how I got so far behind with the Dodge Charger and the Iron Man. I've got a few Iron Mans up there and on the way again, so I'm going to probably catch up with these and then release these once a week as of from issue 18. And then with the Iron Man, and probably what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait until I've got the whole of the left arm, and then I'm going to do the whole of the left arm in a live stream, I think. So I think that's the way I'm going to do it. So without further ado, let's get the parts open and start building. Okay, so to start us off, what we're going to do is we're going to take this part here, looking nice. This is plastic, and so is the oil filter cap. So we're going to put the oil filter cap down on top, just like so. We can take a DP screw, and through the top we're going to put that DP screw down. So let's secure that all the way down, nice and tight, just like so. And then we basically take one of these little caps, and they're going to get pushed into the top, just like so. Now bringing back our engine, what we're going to do is we're going to take the side with the L in the center, and we're going to be fitting this down onto here. So this is going to be going down onto there, just like so. And then we're going to put a couple of CM screws in the 2 holes on the inside of that. So let's get the first of these CM screws in. That's the first one. Now the second one. Secure this all the way down. Just like so. And we can take the assembled valve cover, we can put that over the top of the cylinder head, just like so. You want to make sure that the oil filter cap is towards the front of the engine, just like so. And then we're going to put 4 CM screws in the 4 holes around the outside. So I'm going to start at the back here, putting these screws in. That's the first, and the second one at the back as well. Now number 3 and number 4 are at the front here, so let's get these in. Slide that down for a sec, get a screw on our screwdriver, and go through the top there. That's one. Last screw now. Down through the top again, just like so. So that is that side on. That's the left side. So now we do exactly the same again for the right side. So again, we've put our oil filter cap on the top and a DP screw through the top of that to secure that down. And then the little cap just on top of there, just like so. We can take the side labelled R now, and that's going to get lowered down onto the right side, and again with 2 cm screws to secure that one on. So this is the first one, and the second one now in the opposite side. Now we can fit this oil cap part onto the cylinder head. Now we want the oil cap facing the back towards the gearbox on this one, so make sure you've got it round the right way. So now let's get the 4 screws in here. Again, these are CM screws. That's the first one. Now number 2. Number 3. Just here. Last one now. Number 4. So let's get that screwed all the way in. Just like so. And that is our engine coming together. So now we've got the cylinder heads and oil filter caps on there. That's looking really, really nice so far. There you are, guys. That is stage 14 of Build the Dodge Charger, all complete. And have a look at that. That is getting bigger and better with every issue we do. So yeah, really, really impressed with that so far. So as I said earlier in the video, guys, I am going to be filming up until issue 17. So if you want to see up to issue 17 now, go ahead and click that join button. They will all be uploaded today. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please remember to leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.